Meet the bee eater, one of nature's most skilled aerial hunters. These vibrant birds are not only stunning, but also masters of mid-air precision. With razor-sharp reflexes, they snatch bees right out of the air. But here's the trick: they don't just swallow them. Before eating, they skillfully bash their prey on a branch to remove the venomous stinger. A perfectly executed meal every time. Bee eaters are social birds, living in colonies and digging tunnels into sandy banks to lay their eggs, safe from predators. Fast, precise, and beautiful, bee eaters truly are nature's aerial acrobats. Have you ever seen one in action? Subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories.